we're gonna be making lava art. First, you'll need a glass and pour water inside. And then you'll need to put a color of food dye. And then you'll need to stir it. After you stir it, you'll need to pour some vegetable oil in. Just a small layer. After you pour the oil, you'll need some salt. Pour half of this into the glass. And then you'll need to pour another color of food dye. And then you will have to pour the rest of the salt in. And wait till it goes down. And then pour some more food dye in on the salt. 1, 2, 3. That should be enough. And then, I don't know how it looks like, but let me just check. Do you see any bubbles on the bottom of the layer?
Nope.
Okay. That's the end of our video.